That's 21 backed out.
Okay.
Advising I-1066.
Simple. Tracy to the hand and simple.
13 Charlie Cal. He just threw something out the window. Looked like a paper bag. We're coming to 36 Ave. Speed's about 75. It's pretty small traffic at the moment. 13 Charlie back. He just threw a blue bag out the window by the Sonic. Just ran the red light at 36. Still eastbound.
113 Charlie, working. I got radio transmission. No, for Ocala, see if they got the air unit up. See if the county can help us out. 114 Alpha Ocala, speed 70 miles an hour, traffic moderate.
10-4 for Air 1.
13 Charlie Cal. We're 75 miles an hour now, passing the dump southbound. Our baseliner now.
Ocala, I'm on 24th Street. Where were they at? I was trying to get stop sticks up to them.
Passing.
It's on baseline. Give you an update on that bag. To see if there's felony 31 in there as well. We're trying to find the bag now. We have a color because there are white bags and brown bags everywhere.
The parade of cars.
Passing southeast 190th Avenue Road now. Oh, 4MG is so behind me, you can try and jump up, pull over.